Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook Biuli dal or split white gram lentils. It is a side dish that is served in the main course along with hot steamed rice. I like to have it like soup as well. It can be served as a day-to-day meal as well as during special occasions. It's a family recipe. This is how my Dida or maternal grandmom made. It was one of my favorite recipes of her. If you like this recipe, then please subscribe for more tasty recipes. Do not forget to click the bell icon, like, share and comment below. I reply to all. I have soaked split white gram lentils 1 cup in water for 1.5 days. Minimum soaking time is about 12 hours. Once soaked, it swells. Washed it with tap water for 1 to 2 times, drained water and kept aside. Washing the dal is a must, as after soaking for some time, it gets fermentation smell. With washing, it goes away. One way to check that the smell of fermentation is gone is by eating a lentil. It is soft already. If the smell is still there, wash it again. I have transferred the dal to a pressure cooker, added water about 4 cups, salt 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, and ginger paste 2 tablespoons. Pressure cook in high heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the pressure cooker. As you can see, the dal is boiled but have not melted. With a stirrer, break the dal particles till it becomes thick soup-like. Remember, we don't have to break all the dal particles. In fact, it will be tastier this way. We can add tempering at this stage if we like thick dal. As I like a bit thinner dal, I added water 1 cup and salt half teaspoon. Mix well and kept aside. Heat oil about 7 tablespoons. Traditionally, mustard oil is used. If we are using mustard oil, then make sure that the mustard oil comes to a fume and there is no bubble in the oil. Otherwise, pungent smell and taste of mustard will not make the tempering tasty. Add whole garlic 20 cloves or about half cup. It is a must. We need a lot of garlic. The taste depends upon garlic. Fry it in medium to high heat till golden brown. It's a must step. The main taste comes from golden brown garlic. We can also use chopped garlic, but my grandmom used to make with whole garlic. As you can see, the garlic is golden brown. Added bay leaf 1 and dry red chili 2. Saute for 1 minute. Add the tempering to the dal. Add green chilies 5, slit in the middle. Mix well. Cover with a lid. Cook further in high heat for 7 minutes. This will mingle the taste of dal and tempering and produce a heavenly taste. Remember, if we are not adding water, then there is no need to cook further. Taste it, add whatever is required. Serve it hot with hot steamed rice. You can also have it like soup like me. It serves about 4 to 5 people. Please make it at home and share it with your friends and family. Let me know how it was. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life. Bye.